Well, this video won't be a positive one. All my mistakes and missteps came to the surface. My table made from the old cabinet was completely uneven. I completely forgot to use silicone spray on the mold. I had to disassemble it, spray and reassemble it again. I decided to skip pouring a thin first layer and instead press the wood to the bottom of the mold, pouring everything in one go. The cheapest scale I bought turned out to be completely useless, so I had to rely on small kitchen scales instead. I also chose black mixing buckets, which made it impossible to distinguish between the bucket and the black resin inside. Mixing resin was much harder than I expected. After pouring, I realized I miscalculated the resin volume and my mold started leaking. It was a disaster. Instead of sealing the walls properly, I hastily poured all the remaining resin into the mold, trying to cover the wood to the edges. By the end, my cheap gas torch stopped working, which meant I couldn't use heat to remove surface air bubbles. Not knowing what else to do, I tried plugging the leaks as best as I could. It was a very stressful experience for me. In the end, I decided to leave it as it was and see what would happen the next day.